Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kia ora here today from Crypto Bliss, and I am blissfully excited to be with you here on this Monday, Moon Day. Thank you very much for being here. My channel has literally exploded over the weekend, the strong end, and this happened because I launched this beautiful Hedera video, which I will discuss with you in a little bit of a moment. And yeah, today's Monday market update is going to keep you posted and on track with what's about to happen for the week, what to look out for, and obviously what it is that we could be doing here together within the space. So there's that. And then the second thing is I want to talk to you guys a little bit later about one or two of the videos that I've done recently, and just go over them very briefly. And you should check them out in the links above here throughout this video, and making sure that you are keeping on track with which cryptos to add to your portfolio to help you become a millionaire in the near future. Lots of love to you guys. Let's get cracking on this channel. So as you can see, my channel is now at 130 subscribers. So thank you very much to my beautiful community. You are all absolutely wonderful. I really appreciate it. As you can see here, my algorand video did extremely well with 416 views so far. The Hedera video I launched only yesterday, and it's already smashed through 1.3k views. So you guys can see here, my Polygon is 27 views. So thank you for that. Thank you for all my viewers. No matter how small they are, 5 views doesn't matter for me. What matters for me is that you guys are getting good content from this channel. And this is proving it to me that you guys are enjoying the channel. So if you are enjoying the channel, you guys know what to do, please. Thank you very much. Much blessings and appreciations to you guys. So, the Hedera video, guys, was absolutely amazing. It showed you how you can become a millionaire with Hedera. So what I'm doing is, and these are going to be added to my playlist as a series on how to become a millionaire and which cryptos to add to your portfolio, which are 10x's, 100x's, 1000x's, and who knows, 10,000x's. Those are very rare gems, and you know, it's very hard to call something like that at this point. 100x is probably like a decent point to be, to 1000x at the very most extreme. So Hedera has been doing well, obviously because it's a very popular crypto, and obviously with what I had to share on this video, absolutely exploded this video. So go on there, check out the video right now in the link above here. So thanks to all my subscribers, really appreciate you guys. So today, let's move this to the side again. Today we are currently sitting at we're up 3.1%, $884 billion crypto market cap, $41.6 billion trading volume. BTC dominance is 37.5%, 12,700 coins. BTC sitting above the 17,000, and I'm going to talk to you about that in the chart today. So just be patient. 17,200. Ethereum is sitting at 1309. You can see we're looking very healthy there. BNB 278, XRP 35 cents, Cardano 32 cents. Cardano pushing its way back up a little bit. Well done to Cardano, coming up from the 25-26% region, up 18%. So well done to Cardano so far. And Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 85 cents, Solana at $16.19, Litecoin at 82.43. Well done, because my trade's doing extremely well there in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I entered in an algo trade when I did that algo video. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys the profits that I get. I will screenshot that and share that on my Twitter page. So if you like that, please just go and hit the Twitter button over here. You guys know exactly what to do there, and just go and follow my page there on Twitter as well. Okay, so Uniswap 575, Avalanche 1250, and Chainlink $6.09. So fearing at a still 25. So very interesting, still 25. That's still quite low. So let it just do its thing. As you guys can see, there's a lot of green in the space today. So we're getting very excited, but I'm gonna show you some stuff in the charts. And if you're in some trades, you're gonna look at where to take some profits in those instances. So Yeah, just remember, when in the green, it's not, it depends on the opportunity, but it's not always the time to invest when it's in the green. In the red is when you dollar cost average and you build your position. So let's go and have a look at what's about to happen for the week ahead in the news. So inflation expectations on Monday, which is today. So that's a 5-year and the 1-year expectation. So let's see what happens. The consumer credit, none of those really affected too much. Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks in Sweden. That's interesting. Wholesale inventories, not so bad. But here, Thursday's the day for news, guys, because we've got core CPI, we've got CPI year on year, we got core CPI year on year, CPI excluding shelter, jobless claims, and continuing jobless claims. And all of this is going to show you what is going on in terms of the market and CPI, consumer price index. So we're going to be very much looking for all of the news on those days, and then nothing really on Friday. And then we'll have next week is probably when more of the news happen. Non-farm payrolls ended up being very positive for the market. There is not much news to share in the market, just a little scandal. Again, of course, FTX spent $40 million on food, flights, and hotels in just 9 months. The court filings are showing, so the case is getting deeper and deeper. I mean, still don't know how the guy gets away with it. I mean, spending $40 million on that kind of stuff, that's ludicrous, and that's clients' funds. So, very interesting. One thing I wanted to share with you is Bitcoin price nears 3-week high as traders. Trader says sub 7% may seek 19K. Bitcoin Sango. Okay, don't worry about any of that stuff. We don't need to know that stuff right now. Let's get onto the charts, guys. Let's have a look at the chart and what we've done here. So, guys, in the chart, as I said here, and I put my white line across there because that was a little bit of a resistance point that we basically faked out here. But at the end of the day, we did try and touch this downward sloping trend, this band, which was almost just up at my turquoise line. So for me, I believe we're going to be retesting my turquoise line pretty soon, which is the 19,000 level. So that's another 2.5 to 3% upward movement on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does that, that means altcoins are going to go even higher, which means that altcoins can get really heated up here in the moment. And I'm going to say to you guys, at that point, I'd be very patient. If you were in a trade, I'd probably take profits between the 19,000. I'd probably take 75% profit at the 19,000 level, and the other 25% up here at the 20,000 level. You know, those are if you're taking short-term trades. If you're doing long swing trades, then if you had got in somewhere down at this point here, somewhere within this region, that was a good point to make a long-term swing trade. Depends on your strategy, guys. It just really depends on your strategy. So let me say to you here that the Bitcoin, the average true range line has been broken here. So we're looking and pushing upward momentum. So yeah, really, Bitcoin and altcoins are looking very bullish at the moment. Although on the daily time frame, we're looking a little bit oversold. So maybe a bit of a pullback soon would be a good idea. But we just have to be patient because we'll see how the dollar opens up today. But the dollar, I still think, is going to pull down, which will give the breathing gap for stocks, S&P, NASDAQ, all of these to pull up a little bit more and give us a bit more breathing space to go up. So if you come over and have a look at the crypto total market cap on the weekly time frame, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're looking as though we want to break through this turquoise line here again, which would be phenomenal. That is at the crossing point of the bottom range of the ribbon. So that would either be resistance, and that could then push us further down. However, and I would say that would kind of come down to the green level here, making a low. But look, guys, at this point, I really do think that we're bottoming out and potentially looking for a bit of a long move up. The same here in the altcoins, excluding BTC and Ethereum, and this is pushing us up, like I said to you in my videos last week. So come on over and have a little squiz at those. But guys, this is looking still bullish, although it's weak buying. It's very weak buying. Okay, so that's just something that we have to be cognizant of. We broke out of the triangle, we're pushing up, we're above my purple box here. I would say the next target is 19,000 at that level. So looking forward to obviously this with you guys, and yeah, let's see what happens on the video. Please remember to come and subscribe to my channel, as all of you have been doing. Thank you. And